Alright guys, so you can see Swell is already live here on get.io. Okay, so right in this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to participate on the startup mining, where you can actually mine this for free. In my previous videos I talked about the advantage of holding at least 10 USDT right here on get.io, because the advantage is that you will always participate on free airdrops. Okay, so right in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to claim free Swell for yourself here on get.io. To do that, make sure your account right here is verified. You can see I am verified, and also make sure you have at least $10 worth of GT right here. So you can see here I have 50.30 USDT. So this simply means I am qualified to participate on any airdrop right here on the get.io startup mining. So guys, to participate on that, tap on this human icons right here. So here the next thing you need to do is to click on startup. Okay, so I'll click on startup right here, and this is it. You can see here they have POM startup mining. So go ahead and tap on startup mining, and this is it. You can see the PGC is already ongoing here. Okay, so you can see in progress. Meanwhile, that is not why we are here. I am actually here to tell you about how to earn free Swells here for yourself. Alright, so you can see I am already participating on this. So this is it. I am mining already, and here is it guys. To participate on this, you need either USDT, or you can actually use the Swell token just in case you have some already. Okay, so if I tap on this and I come over to the project info right here, this is it. You can see, like I said, you can either stake with GT token. The GT here simply means get.io native tokens, just like Binance has BNB. Okay, so GT is for get.io. So you can either stake with your GT right here, or you stake with the Swell token right here. Okay, so this is it for the GT staking. The total staking reward right here is 2 million worth of Swells, and you can see this is today's total reward, which is 250,000 Swells for today. And right here you can see the total stake here is 7,417,522 GT. Okay, this is to say that a lot of persons are already participating on this. And right here you can see the price pool cap per hour here is 10,416 Swells, and the staking period guys, this is actually gonna end in 10 days time. Okay, I'll come back for that later. And here the total participant for this is 3,984 participants, and here they have 4.59% APR. And for those of you staking with the Swell token right here, you can see this is the total staking reward. Okay, they have 1.5 million. Okay, 1,500,000 Swells. Okay, if you observe right here, people staking on GT is more than people staking on the Swell token. Okay, and this is today's total reward, 150,000 Swells. Okay, and the total staked right here is 12,824,097 Swells, and this is a price pool cap. Okay, this is a price pool cap per hour. You can see the figure right there, 6,250 Swells, and the staking period remains same. Okay, so guys, this mining pool actually started on the 5th of this month, and today is 7th already, and this is ending on the 17th of this month. You can see the end time right here, 17th October 2024. All right, and so this simply means this is ending in 9 days from now. Okay, so guys, if you're watching this video right now guys, and I will advise you to make sure you participate on this. Okay, this will actually help you earn free money for yourself right here on get.io. This is one of the methods I have been using to make money here on get.io. All you need to do guys is to make sure you have, like I said before, make sure you have at least 10 USDT worth of GT right here on get.io, and make sure your account is verified. Don't forget. And that is not just the end guys, you can be coming here to claim free airdrop right here. So you can see this one, I have already turned on my notification. All right, so this is where I always come to make money for myself right here on get.io. So back to the startup mining here guys. To participate on this is just very simple. So you come over to here and tap on, you can see, if only I have not started this already, you will see something like mine. Okay, so right here, this thing you are seeing mining, or you will see something like stake. All right, so as long as you have your GT ready here, or USDT guys, go ahead and tap on this place and you will see mining, this simply means you are already participating. All right, so if you are watching this video, guys, and you are not using the Get.io exchange, guys, I will urge you to download the app right now on the Apple or Google Play Store. Okay, so use my referral code. I'm gonna leave the code in the comment section of this video and also in the description of this video. Okay, guys, so don't forget, this is ending in 9 days time. Okay, so you still have enough time to participate on this. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy what I am doing right here in this channel, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you will be notified. And guys, see you in my next video.